Welcome back to our KMR tutorial. Today we are going to discuss you about the most important topic in 10th class biology, nutrition, the food supplying system. Before going to our topic, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell symbol hardly. Vitamins are classified into two groups. One is water soluble vitamins and other is fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are B complex and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Let us study the following chart showing vitamins, vitamin available resources, and deficiency diseases. Vitamin B1 scientific name is thiamine. Vitamin B1 is available in cereals, oilseeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, and eggs. Vitamin B1 deficiency disease is beriberi. Symptoms: vomiting, fits, loss of appetite, difficulty in breathing, and paralysis. Vitamin B2 scientific name is riboflavin. Vitamin B2 is available in milk, eggs, liver, kidney, green leafy vegetables. Vitamin B2 deficiency disease is glossitis. Symptoms: mouth cracks at corner, red and sore tongue, photophobia, and scaly skin. Vitamin B3 scientific name is niacin. Vitamin B3 is available in kidney, liver, meat, eggs, fish, and oily seeds. Vitamin B3 deficiency disease is pellagra. Symptoms: dermatitis, diarrhea, loss of memory, and scaly skin. Vitamin B6 scientific name is pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is available in cereals, oil seeds, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, eggs, and liver. Vitamin B6 deficiency disease is anemia. Symptoms: hyperirritability, nausea, vomiting, and fits. Vitamin B12 scientific name is cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12 is present in synthesized by bacteria present in the intestine. Vitamin B12 deficiency disease is pernicious anemia. Symptoms: lean and weak and less appetite. Folic acid. Folic acid is available in liver, meat, eggs, milk, fruits, cereals, leafy vegetables. Folic acid deficiency disease is anemia. Symptoms: diarrhea, loss of leukocytes, intestinal mucus problems. Pantotenic acid. Pantotenic acid is available in sweet potatoes, ground nuts, vegetables, liver, kidney, and eggs. Pantotenic acid deficiency disease is burning feet. Symptoms: walking problems and sprain. Biotin. Biotin is available in pulses, nuts, vegetables, liver, milk, and kidney. Biotin deficiency disease is nervous disorders. Symptoms: fatigue, mental depressions, muscle pains. Vitamin C is available in green leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, and sprouts. Vitamin C deficiency disease is scurvy. Symptoms: delay in healing of wounds, fracture of bones. Vitamin A scientific name is retinol. Vitamin A is available in leafy vegetables, carrot, tomato, pumpkin, papaya, mango, meat, fish, eggs, liver, milk, cod liver oil, shark liver oil. Vit- Vitamin A deficiency disease is eye and skin diseases. Symptoms: night blindness, xerophthalmia, cornea failure, scaly skin. Vitamin D scientific name is calciferol. Vitamin D is available in liver, eggs, butter, cod liver oil, shark liver oil. Vitamin D deficiency disease is rickets. Symptoms: improper formation of bones, knock knees, swollen wrists, delayed dentation, weak bones. Vitamin E scientific name is tocopherol. Vitamin E is available in fruits, vegetables, sprouts, meat, eggs, and sunflower oil. Vitamin E deficiency disease is fertility disorders. Symptoms: sterility in males, abortions in females. Vitamin K scientific name is phylloquinone. Vitamin K is available in green leafy vegetables and milk. Vitamin K deficiency disease is blood clotting. Symptoms: delay in blood clotting or bleeding. Thanks for watching our Kmart tutorial. Don't forget to share, like, comment, follow and subscribe. Hit the bell symbol hardly. Bye, see you, tata.